Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Minnie's Challenge, and this is hosted by Corie over Crafted by Corie. I'll leave the link of her channel as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. So this is my tier decor, you guys. Let me start with my very first DIY, and this is one of the beautiful candle holder from Dollar Tree, and it kind of looked like pumpkin shaped to me, so I thought I should make him like a cute pumpkin. So I converted this candle holder into a pumpkin. I attached one of the beautiful fall leaf with beautiful colors, yellow and red and brown and green. I just love that. And I attached one of the small sunflower, and I created a bow with the burlap, one of the strands from the burlap ribbon, and some of the greenery. So yeah, so with one of the wooden piece on the top, and this is one of my cute pumpkin. So I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'm in love with this though. Next one is this sign, and it had this piece of sign attached to it like happy fall, and I removed it and I attached one of this cute buffalo checkered pumpkin sign from Dollar Tree. All it needed was one of the bows, so I attached one of the raffia as a bow and attached one of those pumpkin truck and one fall leaf with the cornflower, and it has a nice plaid background. I just loved it. I thought I should incorporate this in this projects, and all it needed was one more bow on the top that matches the background. So yeah, this is another project I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the next one is another pumpkin, and I had this buffalo checkered black and white pumpkin along with the orange one. So this is one of the wooden pumpkin that came in a pack of 6 or something, and I attached on top of it by giving like antique wax as the background for it, and I stuck one of the cute pop-up sticker of pumpkin and decorated with baker's twine, orange and white, and one of the pumpkin and foxtail and fall leaf, and there's another cute pumpkin sign I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this thankful sign is a rock from Dollar Tree. It had this painting kit in it, and I used the paint from that. I used one of the painter's pen from Michael's, and I wrote like thankful, highlighted it, and the brown is from the antique wax, and I covered everything using Mod Podge, the shiny one. Yeah, this is also one of the cute pumpkin. I'm just loving it, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. And we are selling pumpkins for 25 cents over here, and this is one of the wooden cart, and I stuffed with a lot of shopping bags and some hay look using the raffia, and I stuffed this cotton pumpkins with orange buffalo checkered and black buffalo checkered cute small pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and one of the white or like beige color sunflower, and some haystack and some fall decorative pieces. And this is another cute project that I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this. And I had this cute small mason jar, and I used for another project, and it is going along with the theme, so I included him also. The only thing that I did was just decorated with some of the fall decorative pieces. This already had baker's twine brown from my previous project, so this is another cute project that goes along with the theme, and it can fit into the tier tray, so I included him in this project. And I made this pumpkin last year, and all I had to do was like cover up a small patch that got chipped off with this shiny pumpkin and some fall leaf and some green flower, and I decorated with some of the fall decorative pieces on top of it. Yeah, and some haystack. And this fall sign I made it last year. So yeah, and this is my fall tier tray, you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite, and you want to give any suggestions towards my channel, I would appreciate that. That will help my channel grow. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.